Hey, what is up everybody? Josh Quinones here at Samsung's Unpacked event 2019 in San Francisco. Having a great time. So they have finally officially revealed their foldable phone. It starts off as a 4.6-inch display when closed, and then you open it up to a 7.3-inch display, and I gotta say, it looks a whole lot better than what I was expecting. It looks beautiful even when closed. I honestly didn't think they were going to be able to pull it off as good as they did, but they did it, and it actually comes with 6 cameras. So no matter how you have the phone folded or open or upside down, you're always going to have a camera ready to capture whatever moment it is you want to capture. And then as far as the hinges go, you can't even see the hinges when folding the phone or unfolding it, and it also closes completely flat. There's no gaps or anything like that, at least from what I can see when they were showing the device. But yes, it looks beautiful, beautiful, and I'm hoping to get it. It's actually pretty expensive though. The price is really high, and I'm sure a lot of people are not going to be happy with the price because it is really expensive. But it also comes in 4 colors. You can get like a green color, gray, blue, and then like a light bluish color. And you're also able to change the color of the hinges if you want. But they went and did a little demo for us, showing us how it works, and it works amazing. It worked nice and smooth. Didn't seem to be any problems at all with it. So far I am truly impressed. Now, it's not going to be released with the Galaxy S10. It's going to be released a little bit later. I will throw the date up here on the screen. But yes, it's going to be released a little bit later than the Galaxy S10. But so far, it's looking good. It's looking beautiful. It looks like it's running great. But yes, people will be able to officially buy this phone this year within the next 2 months, I believe. I think it was April. I got to go through the entire video to watch it again. But like I said, I will throw the release date and the price up here on the screen. But let me know what you guys think so far of this phone. I'm loving it. Let me know what you guys think. Are you as impressed as I am? Leave a thumbs up on this video if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. You guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.